East Chicago, we're out here today asking you to pardon our dust. When you ride around our city, you will see the various projects that we're working on, from community centers to road projects and to our parks. This is part of the beautification. This is part of the quality of life issues that we're doing. You go out to our lakefront, you'll see work being done. You'll be seeing the new roundabout that we're putting on Aldous Avenue. All of these things are coming together because this is your tax dollars at work. Even behind me in the background, you can see the new Heritage Center coming up. We have made millions and millions of dollars of investment in the beautification and the expansion of the city. So all I ask is that you be patient with me and let us do this as fast as we can always do it well. Thank you.
This is Steve Segura for ECTV. We're here on Euclid Avenue. A lot of stuff happening. They're currently resurfacing the whole street. They redid a lot of sewers, and they also did a lot of the curb work for ADA compliancy. Pardon our dust because the city is back under construction. Mayor Anthony Copeland's been busy making sure that a lot of these projects are moving underway. As you know, Block Stadium is going under complete renovation. A lot of people were asking about it. They're gonna knock it down or what? Nope, it's getting totally redone. As long as these people out here, you know some action is happening in East Chicago. Also over by the marina area, they put a brand new fountain. It lights up at night. So if you get a chance, you wanna go take a nice little walk around the lakefront area, check it out. There's also going to be more projects happening down that way. And, you know, I'm just happy they're redoing Euclid. It looks beautiful, and we look forward to a lot more projects to come.